Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Sharma. I belongs to Chandigarh. About my qualification, I have done my Master of Computer Applications from Manipal University. After that, I was looking for my course related to digital marketing course. So I went on a net, basically searching on Google, and I got the link of ThinkNEXT Technologies. So I called there and joined the digital marketing course over there. So my trainer name is Vishal Gupta. He's very nice person. He's expertise in digital marketing course, having a great knowledge of that. He has cleared my all the doubts related to digital marketing course like SEO, SMO, PPC, social media. So I suggest all my friends and viewers to join the ThinkNEXT Technology Private Limited for the better future. Thank you.